we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names that many get wrong, some of the most mispronounced ones too. So make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it? Well, nobody really knows, and maybe I do actually. Many say it as Sadge, Sadge, but it's actually a name that was brought originally to Britain by the early Norman settlers, and so they came from France. So this is to be said more of the French way, because it comes from the word sage, meaning wise in French. Therefore, it is more likely that you have to say it as Sadge, Sadge, rather than Sadge, Sadge, and it sounds better as well, if you ask me. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names that many get confused by. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.